Oh my god. It is 9:04. It's Monday. Got the day off. I ain't going in. I'm getting my rest. I'll get paid for this. I'll get paid for this today anyway. Now we're sitting here trying to figure out which talk to the girls we're all talking about. We got one hotel down. Now we gotta get the first one when we get there. And after that, I gotta figure out. Well, I ain't gotta figure out. I gotta get my flight back. So.
This week, mad. Well, I mean, back. Oh, but in the morning we had that conversation, and now we could have, but it was just when we just heard. It was me, her, and another woman. Her friend. Oh, not the her building, another woman here. I'm like.
I'm almost done cooking. And broccoli is like almost done. I don't know. I think it's done now, but I like it soft, but I don't like it that soft. But yeah, you probably can hear how loud my daughter is right now because she's talking to her friends. Very much loud. Today was a good day. They had like a power outage or whatever. So ain't much happened today. Other than that, I'm about to eat. So I'll show you when it's done. I think it came out great, guys. I'm doing my thing. And they release electrolytes and flavor for a refreshing sip. It's simple, relaxing, and a little rich. Until let it dry for 20-30 minutes. Alexa, 30 minutes. 30 minutes. All right. 30 minutes. All right. Before my camera died, I'm gonna peel it off. This hurt. Oh, ugh. She's tea. And I put some exfoliator on. Well, exfoliator toner on. Whew. And more. Run it out. I woke up like mad early today, like, so I decided just to make me some. But I put ginger, lemon, and green apple with a little bit of apple cider vinegar. Drunk that early in the morning, and then warm, and then I made me a juice. I'll say smoothie, but it's not really a smoothie texture, so I'll say a juice. And then I made me some eggs, and I just put the avocado. Why is this leaning? Is it because I'm leaning? I don't know. And then what else did I do? I did my hair. I glued it down, but I don't like the way the lace is looking right now. It's giving, maybe because it's the camera, maybe because it's the light. Hold on, let me see. I don't know. It's giving bald spot, which it is thinning. That's neither here there. I'm getting ready for work. It is 8:29, so I should not be late. I should not be late today because I'm just standing here. Kira should not be late, but we shall see. I just took me some detox pills. I'm gonna take, I said one in the morning, I'm gonna take one in the afternoon, 4 in the afternoon. Cause I did it 3 times, and baby, that I didn't like. I didn't like the way it made me be on the toilet. Yeah, I didn't like it. Let's see what else. Nothing else. Just trying to make money, go on this trip for my birthday, and call it a day. Someone texted me. Let's see who texted me. Ah, yeah. I just found an old picture of me. I remember sending him this picture. You see? Wait, hold on. Probably can't see me. Hold on. Wait a minute. Okay, hold on a second. Let me put the camera down. This is me. Can you see? Hold on. Can you see? Can you see that? Okay, you probably can't see. Okay, that's me. That was, oh my gosh. What year was this? I don't remember. Cottage Street was, oh my gosh. Like when I said we had the best time on that street back at home, we had, I'm home. Let me get, I I'm a little tired, but I already ate. It is 7:54. How do I feel? I don't know. Today wasn't a bad day. It just felt weird. I got hat here. It just felt weird as usual. As usual, it's gonna feel weird, but yeah. Other than that, easy breezy, beautiful cover girl. Let's see how much. I went out on my day off yesterday, so the check might be checking. Let's see. Cause 8 hours overtime. That's not bad. That's not bad yet. And then I didn't work last week on my day off. Oh, it's going now, but let's get this shmoney. That's all I got to say. Let me see if I got my microphone. Hold on. So my ass thought I was recording this whole freaking time, which is crazy work. And that really bothers me because, which is cool because I did something earlier on the camera and I don't think that was pretty cool for me to do that. But yeah, let's see. Yeah, today was not bad. Today was not a bad day. Kevin's at the door. Let's see. Spot. Hush your mamas. Get out the camera, Kevin. Go lay down. Say hi. Say hi. I worked out today. I went to the gym. And I think I've been doing pretty good. I'm doing that. I'm doing wood therapy. I'm doing all the necessary things that I need to do. We are on a roll, Simone. We're doing the damn thing. Okay. So yeah, let me go edit some videos and then yeah. See ya. Alright, so I'm about to do my mask again, so that means I have to clean my face, so let's do that. restaurant, right? Trying to go to bed. She got work tomorrow. She don't want to go to bed. Oh. Okay. What a day have this been? Like, for real, for real. I am getting a little bit more creative with my content. I said little, not a lot. It's going to take me some time. But other than that, I'm going to go to bed. So, good night. Gotta get up in the morning, so. Alright, I'm ready. I'm actually a little early to be ready. I gotta eat before I go to the gym. So, come here, drop my daughter off at work. Then, I go back, do the eating, and then maybe go to the gym after. I don't know, but we gotta go to the gym. I was gonna go to DMV today to get my real ID, but I'm gonna go Friday, like 3 in the afternoon. I already got the application already filled it out already. So all I gotta do is just walk in and probably like sign a couple of documents, like sign it, and then yeah. Let's go. Put her down, child. I'm Rhonda Miss Weaver Ward. Get out my camera. Why are you got your nose on my camera? Get off the camera. Sounds like a hater in the car. Look at me, mister. I'm a star. Wait, was I just recording? I don't know. Well, I bought some one. It's the bottle. It really is the bottle. I'm sorry, y'all. All right. Well, let me try the wine before I season the fish. Gosh. Smells fruity. It gives semi-sweet. Sweet. Not too sweet though. Enough. The wine. Goga. I think I feel it already. I ain't do nothing. Oh, I ain't get my seasons or nothing. And did you see the cup? How small the little cup is? This is a small wine glass. And I'm already feeling it. The fish. It's whiting. It's not tilapia or nothing like that. Where's fish? Oh. And then there. I'll see me for the rest of the night. Maybe. Today was a good day though. Oh God, something my bad. Basically. That tastes good.
As more like adult-like or threatening and things like that in certain interactions. So I think some candid conversations about like the history of the country, um, and just kind of educating our kids, not from a place of like victimhood per se, but more so just understanding that the world isn't colorblind, and I think it'll just help them be prepared to just navigate life.
Put her down, Shawty.